Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for smart product recommendations and deep dives. Today, we're taking a look at what is arguably the best LC401 ink cartridge option available for brother printers. The LC401XL ink cartridges 4-pack by Gagalay. Right out of the box, you're getting a 4-pack that includes black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges. These are designed to be fully compatible with brother printers like the MFC-J1010DW, MFC-J1170DW, MFC-J1012DW, and even the MFC-J1800DW. Each cartridge is clearly labeled and color-coded, making installation quick and foolproof. No mess, no stress. These cartridges are built with a high-yield design. The black cartridge can produce up to 560 pages, while each color cartridge offers around 510 pages, all based on 5% coverage of an A4 sheet. Installation is seamless. Just pop out your old cartridges, snap these into place, and your printer will recognize them immediately. The chips are updated to ensure full compatibility and accurate ink level tracking. Now let's talk about performance. The LC401XL cartridges deliver consistently sharp text and vivid color prints. Whether you're printing office documents, school projects, or family photos, the output is crisp and true to color. The ink dries quickly and doesn't smudge, which is a big win for busy households or workspaces. These cartridges also hold up in terms of reliability. There are no annoying leaks or clogs, and they maintain quality over the entire ink cycle. Even after dozens of prints, color output remains vibrant and consistent. And if you ever run into trouble, Gagalay backs this product with a 24-month warranty and 24/7 online customer support. So you're not just buying ink, you're getting peace of mind. To wrap it up, if you're looking for affordable, high-performance ink for your brother printer, the Gagalay LC401XL ink cartridges are the best in class. High yield, excellent quality, reliable performance. This pack checks all the boxes. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next product critique. Thanks for watching and happy printing.